What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I'm here to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I just put up a recent video showing the unboxing and my first impressions on the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. So if you haven't checked that out, I'll leave that video link in the description down below. But I do have the Galaxy Watch 4 and also the Galaxy Buds 2. But I am going to be unboxing the green Galaxy Watch 4. I did not go with the classic, I went with the original, and right on my wrist I do have the Galaxy Watch 2 active, and this is essentially the successor, I guess we can put it that way. There wasn't really a Galaxy Watch 3 active. There's a Galaxy Watch 2 active, then the Galaxy Watch 3, and now we got the Galaxy Watch 4 and the 4 Classic, which is the successor to the Galaxy Watch 3. It's a confusing thing. But anyway, let's dive right into this unboxing and first impressions. Alright, so let's just put the Galaxy Watch Active 2 aside and let's get ready to unbox this. So Galaxy Watch 4, I just don't like how they don't separate that, but whatever. This is the green color. I just wanted to go a different route this time. Obviously, I can change the bands whenever I want. So here we go. We got the watch itself, and let's pick it up. All right, so here we go. This is a 20 millimeter watch band. This is a medium large. So here is the Galaxy Watch 4. You can definitely tell looking at an angle, at least I'm trying to show, but it's a pretty thick bezel all around, but you can use it as an on control to maneuver the to use the watch. Let's put it that way. I guess I can't speak. We got 2 buttons here, the power button and the back button. I believe if you hold the back button, it opens Samsung Pay, and obviously this is to turn off. But overall, let's try it on before we do anything else. Try it on and see how it fits with my wrist, because I did go with the 44, I believe. And there's a 40 and a 44. Mine is the 40, I believe. So Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS. I think mine was 44. Yeah, right here, 44. So that actually looks pretty clean. I like it. I like it. I'll probably end up getting rid of that green watch band and probably go with something like metal, or who knows. But let's actually put that aside for now. The watch itself is also like a super dark green. And let's see what else we get in the box. We're probably just going to be getting a bunch of paperwork is what it looks like. And the charger itself. Let's see what we got here. Quick start guide. All right, I'm trying to see. There we go. Quick start guide. And obviously we don't get a charging brick. We have the charger itself right here, which looks more or so the same as the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So let's just put that aside for now. But let's get the Galaxy Watch 4 turned on, and I'll be right back. All right, so we got this turned on. Just to let you guys know, this is now running Wear OS 3, and this is running Tizen. So Samsung did come together with Google, and here we go. So Galaxy Watch 4, let's connect. So looking at these two, they look actually about the same size. Now, if you look at the Galaxy Watch Active 2, the one on my left, it's a little bit more rounded on the back. It has a larger back to it. But the Galaxy Watch 4 is a little bit more thinner towards the back. But like I said, this is running now Wear OS 3, whereas this is running Samsung's own Tizen OS software. Google has gone for an overhaul with Wear OS 3.0, and Samsung are, the Watch 4 and the Watch 4 Classic are the first mainstream devices to ship with this new process, with this new OS. and they're ditching Tizen, but they're kind of using what they learned and what they have from Tizen and bringing it to Wear OS and going to use it on top of Wear OS, kind of as their own skin, the One UI skin. And we're going to see that just in a little bit as soon as we get this set up. All right, so we are back, and we do have it set up, and I'm obviously going to dive deeper into my full review and compare it with the Galaxy Watch Active 2, but I am using the Galaxy Wearable app on my Samsung device right now. But taking a look at the watch, so just as a quick tutorial, if we swipe down, we're going to get like the quick panel notifications that we do get on our phones. And if we do swipe up, we're getting the apps right here, and we can kind of use the screen, the on-screen scrolling around to see our apps. And it is based off of One UI, but it is using Wear OS, if we can definitely tell right here. So we can press the power button, go back to home. If we swipe to the left, we're going to be getting our widgets with all of our different, whatever you want to kind of add your tiles is what it's called. There's ECG on here as well. If we swipe to the right, this is where we technically should be getting our notifications. And just a quick comparison, looking at it, here's the watch face on the Galaxy Watch Active 2. Swiping down, more so, I mean, it is obviously running Wear OS. Just taking a look, but the actions are more so the same. There's nothing from swiping towards, swiping down or swiping up. But if we press the power button right here, for example, let's do this. Here's where we get the recent applications. So it's obviously different controls. So if we press, let's say like the back button, it goes back, so if we swipe up, go back to home, and then notifications to, if you swipe right, if you hold on, you should be able to change your watch face. So let's just do, I don't know, something different. Let's go with, actually, wait. Let's go with, let's try that one more time. There we go. Let's just go with that. That is a super clean watch face in my opinion. But otherwise, when I put it on my wrist, I'm probably going to end up changing the silicone band just to give it a more sleeker and elegant look to it. Let me know what kind of bands you guys want me to check out and try. And I'm going to push it to its limits, its battery life, how it lasts. Now I pretty much use these watches, these smartwatches, once in a, occasionally for working out and for exercise, but I typically like wearing smartwatches for its notifications, for calling, to answer calls, but also to just wear them because they look really sleek. Like that looks super nice on the wrist, as well as obviously the Watch Active 2. But I'm going to be putting it to its tests. I'm going to be reviewing it, taking a look, deeper dive into this device, and checking out Samsung's new smartwatch. Tech season has officially begun. Going to be checking out the Z Flip 3 5G as well on the channel. I got a bunch of stuff. Galaxy Buds 2. Tech season has started. It's going to be crazy, but I hope you guys did enjoy this quick unboxing of the green Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video as it does help out the channel and will help push my content out to more people. This is all thanks to you guys. These products, I'm able to purchase them because of you guys. Everything you guys do, liking this video, commenting below, subscribing, sharing, everything helps the channel. It really does mean a lot. We're almost at our goal of 10,000 subscribers. Exciting things are coming to the channel. I can't wait. But that's been it from me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.